Yeah, people, some of us want to shout out to Shenseea. It look like she's feeling a little bit better for make a post, right? You know, look like she all the way there yet, but she did make a post about our 4 Grammy nominations, right? So congrats to her on those. But however, though, people, it sparked a lot of debate on our page. A lot of people have a lot of things to say after the post what she makes. So I'm going to know the post what she make and telling the category them what she says she get nominated in, right? So it's Kanye West done the album of the year and Kanye West done the best rap album nominee. Also, Masego studying abroad extended stay best progressive R&B album, and the final one is Major Lazer music. Music is the weapon. Best Dance Electronic Music Album, right? So Shenseea worked on all 4 of those projects, and by working we mean she credited as artist and songwriter. So she go on and she posted another caption and she said, even when I feel low, the blessings continue to flow. Who could it be but God? Had to get up out of my bed for this one. 4 effing Grammy nominations. Damn dog, I haven't even released my debut album yet. At Kanye West, at Masego, at Major Lazer, thank you for trusting me and y'all song. Hashtag Shenyeng. Now, people, a lot of people in the comment section, them have a lot of opinion about this. Wanna guess the main one? Yeah, because some of you probably have it on the mind. Wanna say, well, I know Shenseea sang them, so how comes she can be nominated for a Grammy? And me I go show you some of what the people must say. Both good and bad. We see a lot of people that congratulate her. We see Chris Tufton, we see Murder Beats, we see The Genius, we see Chanel Muir, we see Ramesh himself. That is a given. You see me? But you have some people who are genuinely confused about the situation, and some people are trying to explain it. You have some other people basically, like I call them, I call out Shenseea, and I say she not fear celebrate because I not fear song. You see me? I say, I'm talk about fans too, right? So in Shenseea defense, let me say though, Shenseea been a celebrate over her accomplishment and the Donda, right? She performed the song them, she been celebrate one time, make up on Billboard and all of that, right? So and I like she just get up and decide to celebrate now because it get nominated for a Grammy. So let's take a look into some of the comments them what people are say. So the first one me I go show now is this one. That person has said, definitely a stretch. I love you, Shen, but you're reaching bad. Appreciate the opportunity to work with the greats, but claim the people Grammys. Me not know about that. It's like the supporting actor claiming the Oscar won by the main star. We know you had a hand in it, boo, but the thirst don't look good on you. Your turn is coming soon, right? So that person said them love Shenseea, so apparently they are a fan. You can call them a fan or no. You tell me down in the comment section. Now, people, some more comments there, right? So that person just state their opinion, they don't put no numbers in it, they don't put no nothing in it, right? So this person comment and say, I am lost. Where's her name? Or is it because she had a feature with him, right? And she had talked about Kanye West, and under that, almost everybody has said the same thing. They don't see her name, they don't see her name. Outcomes, right? So Shenseea pinned this comment, and the comment said the Academy updated its rules so any artist, songwriter, producer, composer, etc. that is a part of a project will also receive the nomination/Grammy, which is a fact because when you go up on the Grammy website, it says Album of the Year category, nominee and recipient eligibility, right? And it's a moving forward, all credited artists, including featured artist, songwriter of new material, skip to the underline part, say eligible to be Grammy nominees and recipient in the Album of the Year category, right? But it's a talk about the Album of the Year category, so we don't know if it applied to the whole thing. But anyway, it said previously artists, songwriters were required to be credited with at least 33% or more of playing time. So if I did that last year, probably this wouldn't work. Now, let's talk about the fact that a lot of people are say Shenseea not really get our name go up on the Donda album track listing, like, you know, Kanye West do. He put film name on every track, so our name never depend it. But when we go up on the Grammy website and we look and we see Donda, we see Shenseea name as artist name Shenseea, right? And then again we see Shenseea Lee, which is her name. So I assume that is as writer credits. So she is credited both as a artist and a writer. So that's official for album of the year. Yeah, album of the year Donda. She's officially nominated for that, right? So if it win a Grammy, Shenseea go win a Grammy for that, right? So that's one we done take care of out of the way. So let's get on to the rest of the comments and question. Now this person replied to the person where I get pinned and say, oh, you pin post with all the info trying to educate us. Why didn't you tell us Shen would have to contribute 51% or more to be considered a nominee? So basically only one album she get recognized for. Research and come again with more info for with there, right? But people, 51% up on the website, a lot. I'm going to try to explain that as best as I can. So first we are going to start with the reggae category where we know all the nominees. And if we read, it's a for album containing at least 51% playing time of new reggae recordings. What that mean, people, from what me understand, your album 51% of the playing time. So if the album are 1 hour long, 51% of that have to be reggae music, new reggae recording. So remember, you know, because any artist can make any music. So Spice could have decided that she gonna make a soca album. It can be nominated as reggae category. You see what I say? If she have one reggae song on it and the rest of soca, it's not gonna make the cut. So that's where 51% come in, right? And then again, when you look upon the best rap album category, which Donda is there also, it said the same thing for albums containing at least 51% playing time of new rap recordings. So it's a playing time, so it never say you have to contribute 51% of the work, right? The other part before it says usually you have to contribute 33%, but that's out the window, so no matter how much you contribute, right? So that's where the 51% come in. Now people can say the confusion. No, but now I come here so to beat nobody, because some of the question them a legitimate question. I say a real concern what people have, and just to make people understand a little bit better. That's why I'm going to look it up. You see what I say, people? But now we check into the other two categories them where Shenseea says she get nominated for, and it said the same thing, the 51% playing time, right? So that's the best progressive R&B album with Masigo, Studying Abroad, right? And it has a 51% playing time as well. Now that one in a breakdown like the album of the year and put all the writers and all of that. But overall, the project get a Grammy. I'm assuming she's going to get a Grammy, right? Just like how when it sell, she get a portion of the money. So definitely, you see me. And then the last and final one is the best dance electronic music, and that's the Major Lazer Music is a Weapon Reloaded, right? And at the same thing, it says this one says for vocal or instrumental albums only. So I'm assuming there's other albums, maybe like audio books and them thing they consider as album. I'm not sure, but anybody will know, you can explain down in the comment section. So people want to think though. You see me I say Shenseea cover all 4 categories or just one, the one with our name or 3 or what. When you tell me down in the comment section, hope this, you know what I mean, shed some light on some of the questions one they have. But wanna give me one opinion. Now the big question I want to ask people, if I did a work on an album, you see what I say, or anything else, and it get nominated, or to celebrate, I want to know what you think, you know what I mean? Is yes or no, you know what I mean? If you think that you would celebrate. I now ask you know if Shenseea should celebrate. I was asking you if you would celebrate or not. Now people, I did my best. I go up on the website and find everything that I could find to try to explain this and understand it myself. Hope I did a okay job where some people have understand better and get some more clarity. Now people, there's a bigger problem at hand. The problem is that as an industry reggae dancehall, we have to like debate these things. There is no clear cut like knowing that this is what it is, because we not deal with it so often. That is our problem. So the bigger problem at hand is that we need to do better as an industry overall. You know what I mean? We need more people on the voting committee, people who can submit projects. We need more projects where can be submitted at least. You see what I mean? I say, so we can know how the Grammy works, and we will know what is what when time people get nominated. We know, say, yes, that can happen like this and that can happen like that. Again, I want to say congratulations to Shenseea, congratulations to all the other nominees in the reggae category as well, and big up everybody. People get in the comment section, let me know what you think about this. Thank you for watching. If it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Have a wonderful day or night or whatever time it is, wherever you are. Stay safe out there. I'm out.
We got Diamond in my AP, Dancehall IG, Atina. Excuse me, Dancehall IG, Rich. Punk, should know, 10 to blacks. Yeah, they.